Today, in fact, what I keep reading in the papers is also that every other organization, a lot of multinationals, corporates, everybody is making it quite mandatory that women are encouraged, and the top bosses, top honchos are given brownie points that they have to encourage women to top leadership positions. So everywhere there is an awareness that women on this gender diversity is necessary. It has to be there. Women have to be given a chance. But the only problem, we do have a lot of problems, like it's in the initial stages, women need a few months off from the job continuously. They cannot be working, especially when they have children and all that. And I was for a long time looking for this sabbatical, and I'm so happy that it's around the corner, and maybe even we all can think about it. And because women do take up so much of responsibility, so much. They have been doing, in fact, I have seen my friends and colleagues over here fighting it out with, despite so many issues, so many of their own health problems, so many of family problems, and still so strongly facing everything and coming out so successful. Today morning also, when I was seeing everybody walk in, I was just hats off to all of you. I saw in each one of you a successful and confident woman, which I'm really so happy to see you all, and congratulations for all that, and my best wishes for this conference. And I was also thinking that, you know, today we are such a formidable force that our issues cannot be ignored, so they have come to the forefront, and the association today is forced to have a whole day discussing and listening to our problems. So that is the strength of all of us, because it's again the numbers. We are making such a huge workforce over here. So now all our issues have come to the forefront, and there is a panel over here, the management and the association, there to listen to our issues and help us in every way. And without the help of the men and all other people in this bank, we can't go forward. So we really appreciate all the help which you all have been giving all through these days, and in future also I hope that it will be a much better work environment for all of us, with even if something on working hours comes through, that will be like really great, because women are doing balancing their home and office and all that. They do have to take care of their home, so that a lot of things are there and ahead of us. So I would wish that a lot more women take promotions and come forward, and you all also take many more promotions and do well.